Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know that I am your lady Tania. Chat Jamaican visited one of the most beautiful natural living area in Jamaica.
Welcome, yes.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm Tania.
I'm Gisela. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
So you have two beautiful dogs.
Yes.
What are their names?
And a cat. This is Spot because he has this spot, the white spot on the neck.
Oh,
And the other one is Max.
Spot. Hi,
Yeah.
Spot. Spot and Max.
And Max.
Wow,
And I have a cat too.
this is beautiful. It gives you a natural feel.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that's how I want it, you know. The colors and the natural material everywhere. No plastic, no metal.
Okay. This is wonderful.
Yeah. So my name is Gisela Braun. I'm German, and I came to Jamaica the first time I think 6 years ago. And it was all my life. It was my dream, you know, to as soon as possible to go to foreign, you know, and live my life in a warm country. And so I came to Jamaica. It was just a cheap flight, you know, in winter time, and immediately I fell in love with Jamaica. And so I decided, I was looking around, and then after a while I find this place, and a year later I was coming back and start building. It was just a piece of bush when I bought it, and I had to clean it and start building. And that's how I come here.
So did it take a lot of work while building up? It take you 6 years to go through that process?
Yeah, it took about, at least 3 years to finish the house, but it's still, I'm still have ideas and I'm still on the work,
building.
You know.
All right. So tell me about the living spaces, the rooms and the bathrooms.
Yes. I have my main house here where I live. There is one guest room with a separate little bathroom and balcony. And then I have two little cottages. One is, I call it Cloud 7. It's like an apartment with a kitchen and a fridge and a stove, everything in, bathroom, outdoor, shower. And then the next is the Treehouse. I call it Bird Nest. And it also has a separate bathroom and a shower, outdoor shower too, and a rooftop terrace.
All right. So how would you describe the type of lifestyle here, the living, when the guests come? What kind of feel do they have?
Yeah, the place is really quiet and peaceful here. Also the neighborhood, it's really just nice people here. It's so peaceful and nice. And I'm just living in the nature, right in the nature, and try to live with the nature. Also all my work I did, you know, my buildings, the cottages, I tried to use just natural material, natural colors, match with the nature here. And I'm surrounded also just with green and nature, and I love this life here. And all people that come in here, they enjoy it and they love it.
So you get people from all over the world?
Yes. Yes.
And how are the guest experiences?
Yeah, they are not, expecting this nice place here, and everybody love it because it's so natural and
unique.
Also the details, the art and the
materials that are being used
and the ideas, they love it.
Yes.
Paradise created by Mrs. Gisela Braun, a German, nestled in the hills of Westmoreland. Let us do a tour of the property.
This is lovely. All right. So you want to tell me about the setting itself?
It just starts, with a little, in the beginning, I just want to have a little place while I'm building, and then it getting growing, bigger
Yes.
and bigger. More ideas were coming, and so it is like, you know, it was just growing. You know, it just started, and then the ideas were coming.
How do you come up with the designs?
Yeah, it's different ideas. You know, different people, different ideas.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So different people were working here, and yeah, so they had also.
Kitchen is lovely.
Yes. And a friend built the kitchen, you know, a German friend, a 20 years old girl she was this time.
Yes.
I met her on a trip in Jamaica,
Yes.
and she said when she finished her carpenter education, she will come and build my kitchen. And
Wow.
so she was coming and staying for 8 weeks, you know, and she also bring a lot of ideas there.
Okay. So she came up with the idea of the wood, the naturalness.
Yeah, the naturalness.
This is the bamboo you have here.
Yeah, this is just a vase, you know.
Okay, it's beautiful.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah, if you want, you can go upstairs there. Yeah, the guest house, I have 2 guest houses.
Okay.
And here on the left is one.
Okay.
Left is one guest room
Oh,
with a little bathroom too.
this is beautiful. This room is just natural. Look at the craftsmanship. This is awesome. The chair, the nightstand, everything is just awesome. The bed head, it is made from bamboo. So we have a bathroom here, and guys, look at the way how the bathroom is designed.
That's right. No, but the idea, this is the idea.
This over the bulb, this is unique.
Yes, this is.
So when the light is on, it gives it a.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
The friend was in the sea.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sea fan. And the face basin is from Morocco, and this decoration around is made of broomsticks. You see?
Yes. Yes.
Don't waste nothing.
So you said this is made from broomsticks,
Yes. Mhm.
and the face base is from Morocco.
Mhm.
So this is a face basin.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is interesting. This is taken from the sea.
Mhm.
And it is just unique in its own way, and also the way how you design the seat of the toilet.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, this is natural.
Yes, it's natural, and yeah, everybody like it, and everybody is.
And this is the outside. This is the balcony, guys. And this is the lovely view that you have on the outside. It is unique. So if you look straight ahead, guys, you're actually looking at the sea, and you're also seeing the houses in the community. So it is very relaxing. Her ideas of the light put.
This is a palm leaf from a palm tree.
Yeah, one is over by the farm. When I go, I can show you the trees.
Okay. Wow, this is beautiful.
This is a piece of driftwood here.
A piece of tree root, and then it just bring out this uniqueness over the bed. And we have another balcony,
Yes.
and ooh,
Okay.
Yes.
The outside shower, then we can't miss that one. Don't miss that one.
Oh, lovely outside shower.
Go inside, go inside.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm entering into the outside shower. I am a lover of outside showers and I definitely would take a bath in this right now. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, this is a face. Oh. Oh, this is a fern.
Yeah, different fern.
Then you have a clothesline.
No, there's one.
Those are
There's
Oh,
you see, in the middle there's a aloe.
oh okay.
But I have more around. This is more my cactus garden,
yeah, then
dry garden.
it's another outside shower here, Kizia.
Yeah.
Yes.
Another outside shower here for the
Yeah.
little guest house.
Okay, how you enter? Oh, this way. Ooh, this is lovely. I love outside showers. Okay, so this is
Treehouse.
the veranda.
To live in the tree.
Yes.
Oh, right here.
Yes.
The tree is right here. The room and then the bathroom.
So this is the tree house. All right, so this is the
Yeah,
bathroom.
this is the bathroom.
Wow.
Treehouse.
And then
That's the room.
this is the room. Oh my God. This is beautiful.
There's a little closer.
And then the bed head is made of the bamboo.
Yeah, it's made of bamboo.
Bamboo.
And yeah, you see in the corner it's a little closet.
Oh, the closet.
Yes.
Closet is nice. Max, how you got up there?
You go up. You gonna come down.
How did you get up there? So I'm climbing the tree house. Wow. Wow, this is the tree house. The property is surrounded by pimento trees, wild papaya trees, breadfruit trees, and other plants. Wow. So guys, this is cloud 7 and currently we are on the balcony taking in the sea, that fresh of breath air, the relaxation. This is awesome. The community is wonderful as well. Let us go on the inside. If you want to visit and cook your own food, this would be the perfect place for you. The counters, everything all natural, having that natural feel. This is a kitchen. Have a stove and we have a lovely view right here, and this would be good for everyone to visit and get some form of relaxation, peaceful. This is truly a Jamaican German feel, very tranquil and quiet area, beautiful landscape, sunny weather. You will relax and rest. Papaya Hill has shown a lot of craftsmanship on the property. This is where you can find harmony in nature. This is a natural and authentic Jamaican way of life. Any final word? How do they get in touch with you?
Yes, I have a website. It's not quite finished now, but it already is a lot of information there. It's www.papayahill.com, and I'm also at Airbnb.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's papayahill.com.
Yes.
So once they go there, they get access to all the information that are needed. So thank you very much for having me here.
Welcome, very welcome.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
And it's very beautiful. So just continue improving on the wonderful work that you have here.
Thank you very much.